What's up, sweethearts? Welcome to the tutorial for Bend Over by Machel, Montano. Let's get started. We're going to start with a little basic step, side to side. It's going to go side, side, and then front, 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 and front. We're going to add some arms. Shoulder, shoulder, serve, serve, palm up. What, here, here. Great. After that, side to side step and front, serving up. We're going to take it to the right. We're going to grapevine, and we're going to take hold here for 7 of these. The knee comes in and then pops out. And make sure you're doing it from the hip so you don't hurt your knee. And the hand is just here, pah, basically showing the heel. Other side, pah. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Repeats, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chorus. Bends over. That left arm punches down. We take body roll back for 2. We take it up. Double, double, single, single, double. Now the right arm is ready to go down, bend over. Body roll for 2. We take it back. Double, double, single, single, double. Either start again from the top or to start with the bend over. Depends on what verse you're on. We go together to the front. We go. Grapevine, pop, 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 pop. One more. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reaching up, bend over. 2 body rolls. Take it up. Double, double, single, single, double. Right arm, bend over. Body roll. To the back. Double, double, single, single, double. The second time, we go again. The first time, we go back to the beginning. Serve and serve. Grapevine, hit, grapevine, hit. Bend over. As always, we have a sexy breakdown. We're going to take it up towards the front. We just pump, 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 and then we take the booty back, 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 back. And the hands are going to serve up, 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 up. You can groove as much as you want there. Hands forward, back, 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 back. I'll show it facing the front. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are all the sections. We have the beginning, brush it off, serve it up, grapevine, heel pops for 7, grapevine again, 7 of those. Chorus, bend over, double body roll, 2, 2, single, single, 2, bend over, body roll for 2, double, double, single, single, double. And remember, we have that serve it up, out of the booty, ta, 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 pa, pa, booty back, ta, 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 and make sure you're bouncing that booty, just like that. Those are all the sections. Let's dance it.